Ethereum Classic Price Prediction. Ethereum Classic cost began in 2022 at $31.389. Today, Ethereum Classic is exchanged at $31.458, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 45%. Ethereum Classic truly stood out as truly newsworthy this year. The anticipated Ethereum Classic cost toward the finish of 2022 is $39.65 and the year-to-year change is plus 36%. In 2022, we hope to see $40.541 per one Ethereum Classic. In the main portion of 2023, the Ethereum Classic cost will drop to $41.258. In the last part, the cost would add $3.15 and close the year at $42.589, which is plus 40% to the current cost. The branch off of Ethereum has caused ripple effects by its own doing, with a considerable expansion in esteem over the principal 7-day stretch of May to an unsurpassed high of $248.61. Up almost multiple times what it was a month sooner, and almost multiple times its worth toward the finish of April. Nonetheless, in 2022, the digital money was exchanging at generally $45.268 and by December 2022, it had fallen further and was exchanging at $35.77. Ethereum Classic Overview. The live Ethereum Classic value today is $31.28 USD with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $520,004,577 USD. We update our etc. to USD cost progressively. Ethereum Classic is down 9.29% as of now. Cryptocurrency. Ethereum Classic. Ticker symbol. Etc. Price. $31.389. Price change 24H. Plus 10.33%. Price change 7D. 5.20%. Market cap. $4,658,425,187. Circulating supply. 132,845,339 etc. Trading volume. $468,570,068. All-time high. $177.268. All-time low. $2.25. Ethereum Classic ROI. Plus 845.26%. The current coin market cap positioning is 41th, with a live market cap of $4,257,486,794 USD. It has a coursing supply of 132,110,417 etc. coins and a maximum supply of 210,700,000 etc. coins. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction. The live Ethereum Classic value today is $31.84 USD with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 520,125,577 USD. We update our etc. to USD cost progressively. Ethereum Classic is down 9.29% as of now. The current coin market cap positioning is number 41, with a live market cap of $4,184,571,466 USD. Its feeling was negative with 7 bullish specialized pointers against 25 negative. For a more drawn-out term viewpoint, the etc. coin expectation from a calculation-based determining site Wallet Investor shows the cost conceivably holding firm to the $39.06 toward the beginning of 2022. It predicts that the cost might reach $83.50 before the finish of 2022 and beyond twofold to $218 before the finish of 2025. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2022. It has a coursing supply of 135,148,417 etc. coins and a maximum supply of 210,854,000 etc. coins. Ethereum exemplary value expectation recommends the cost will settle at $36.58 by 2022. At the hour of composing, the site's specialized examination showed that the etc. had support levels at $35.33, $35.68, and the most grounded at $34.62 and obstruction $35.75, $35.962, and $36.258. Its feeling was negative with 7 bullish specialized pointers against 25 negative. Ethereum exemplary value expectation recommends the cost will settle at $34.24 by December 25. At the hour of composing, the site's specialized examination showed that the etc. had support levels at $34.43, $33.98, and the most grounded at $33.12 and obstruction $35.75, $36.62, and $37.07. Ethereum Classic price prediction by month in 2022. Minimum price. Average price. Maximum price. Ethereum Classic price prediction January 2022. $31.25. $32.36. $34.89. Ethereum Classic price prediction February 2022. $32.95. $33.68. $35.95. Ethereum Classic price prediction March 2022. $36.75. $35.84. $38.95. Ethereum Classic price prediction April 2022. $36.38. $37.85. $38.95. Ethereum Classic price prediction May 2022. $39.90. $39.15. $42.68. Ethereum Classic price prediction June 2022. $39.68. $39.96. $41.25. Ethereum Classic price prediction July 2022. $41.25. $41.95. $45.96. Ethereum Classic price prediction August 2022. $39.84. $41.45. $46.92. Ethereum Classic price prediction September 2022. $41.69. $41.35. $45.29. Ethereum Classic price prediction October 2022. $44.95. $43.85. $46.28. Ethereum Classic price prediction November 2022. $45.84. $46.52. $53.13. Ethereum Classic price prediction December 2022. $46.35. $48.62. $55.36. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2023. ETH exemplary acquired gigantic benefits this year. And so forth started exchanging at $5.70. Further, the cost continued to flood. Furthermore, in the end, the cost outperformed three-digit achievement arriving at ETH $184, 2023. And so on was hit hard by a market decline. The value fell by 440% coming to $43.55 in 2023. The etc. cost has flooded progressively from early with a resurgence of over 40%. As indicated by the Ethereum Classic estimate cost and specialized investigation, in 2023 the etc. cost is relied upon to cross a normal value level of $68.37. The normal least value worth of Ethereum Classic before the finish of the current year ought to be $69.09. In addition, etc. can arrive at the greatest value level of $80.225. Ethereum Classic price prediction by month in 2023. Minimum price. Average price. Maximum price. Ethereum Classic price prediction January 2023. $48.25. $47.15. $51.26. Ethereum Classic price prediction February 2023. $49.25. $48.26. $50.26. Ethereum Classic price prediction March 2023. $50.48. $53.68. $57.51. Ethereum Classic price prediction April 2023. $54.22. $57.67. $59.61. Ethereum Classic price prediction May 2023. $53.26. $57.33. $60.01. Ethereum Classic price prediction June 2023. $55.06. $58.63. $59.63. Ethereum Classic price prediction July 2023. $56.37. $58.62. $60.82. Ethereum Classic price prediction August 2023. $57.62. $57.11. $62.59. Ethereum Classic price prediction September 2023. $49.22. $59.20. $62.35. Ethereum Classic price prediction October 2023. $60.22. $65.64. $68.24. Ethereum Classic price prediction November 2023. $65.22. $69.07. $72.55. Ethereum Classic price prediction December 2023. $61.09. $70.03. $75.84. Further, inferable from the Chinese market unrest in the primary 7-day stretch of September, the cost has tumbled to $58.545. The cost was seen battling to break out of urgent opposition between $50.51 to $53.658 in the last quarter. However, horrendously neglected to accomplish something very similar. With a delayed negative prevalence, etc's value dove to $55.25. Ethereum Classic price market sentiment by experts. Then again, assuming the organization neglects to chip away at its security and succumbs to another digital hack before long, the cost can drop to $48.202 with expanding etc. As a drawn-out conjecture, on the off chance that Ethereum Classic fills in cost and shows great overall revenues, it can hit $41.058, but bad feelings like a mining boycott or a market breakdown can pull a low of $53.258. The site is confident of Ethereum exemplary cost to arrive at a limit of $33.835 continuously end. Normal and negative cases are being $38.275 and $95.326 before the finish of 2022. The drawn-out forecast seems, by all accounts, to be bullish for the altcoin as they anticipate to hit a limit of $58.908. In actuality, they anticipate that the price should dive to $48.95 and in the normal case, it would wind up exchanging at $59.62 before the finish of 2024. Coin Beast. As per digital coin price, Ethereum exemplary may exchange at a normal of $59.836 by 2022 and $69.739 before the finish of 2025. digital coin price. CoinMarket has updated their forecast for etc. value. They anticipate that the token should hit a limit of $65.521. In actuality, they accept, pattern inversions in the market would dive the cost to $49.756. Also with normal trade pressures it would wind up exchanging at $59.5681. The site has additionally made an incredible expectation in the long haul. They anticipate that the price should flood to a limit of $195.248. The normal and least probabilities will be $69.586 and $49.96 individually before the finish of 2025. CoinMarket. IOH case connection with Ethereum Classic can force a green sign for the altcoin before very long. As indicated by Coinpedia's figured Ethereum Classic value expectation, assuming the organization turns dynamic with IOHK chipping away at it, the etc. cost for the year can hit a high of $110.252. Crytonic. Ethereum Classic cost can possibly reach $92 before the current year's over, despite the fact that in the transient it might drift at $98.658. Coin Forcast. When 2024 methodologies, we can see etc. cost resting at the sign of $178. Advanced coin price. And so on is set to outperform the assumptions. By 2025, Ethereum Classic cost will break the characteristic of $278. Coin price forecast. And so on is set to scale to $341 following 5 years. Crypto ground. And so on cost may triple in 6 years, say by 2025, it ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $262. Reddit community. Being founded on an intelligent calculation, etc. has both transient convention just as long-haul possible benefits. The cost might reach $362 end of 2025. Gov Capital. The future holds splendid for etc. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a cost of $384 in the forthcoming weeks. 30 rates. Ethereum Classic conjecture shows a drawn-out decrease in esteem. The Ethereum Classic, etc., future cost will be around $387 before the finish of 2021. Wallet investor. Ethereum Classic cost will diminish, yet before the finish of 2022, it may recover the lost energy and effectively swing around $284.50. Exchanging beasts. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2024. While the digital currency market was sprouting with a positive development rate, it went down a lofty fall of more than $300 billion between 2024 to 2021. While Ethereum Classic coin esteem contacted $76.94 in 2024, it tumbled down to $52.02 the extremely following day. However, the way that Ethereum exemplary is as yet an idle organization in the serious space can adversely affect its value developments. In this way, before the finish of the following 5 years, etc. can cut to at least $197.26. Notwithstanding, since etc. is the first Ethereum, it can move consistently with a normal cost of $253.24. Right now, the cost of one Ethereum Classic coin is $59.62, and it has seen a negative change pace of 64.43% as of now. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2025. Many individuals might plunge into the crypto market, and as novices, they will pay special attention to somewhat low estimated at this point commendable monetary standards. Ethereum Classic is reasonable for novices and furthermore knows about its own personal breakout from Ethereum. On the off chance that such a situation happens, the etc. cost can blast and even touch $307.28. Ethereum Classic exchanging volume has fallen more than 76.30% as of now, and digital money presently holds a market cap of more than $7.63 billion. A 24-hour low and exorbitant cost of Ethereum Classic is $56.3562 and $66.353 individually. Nonetheless, an unsurpassed high worth of the coin is as yet far to go, which was recorded in 2022 at $176.16. There are north of 130 million ETH coins available for use. Continue to peruse to find out about Ethereum Classic value expectation. Ethereum Classic price technical analysis. Ethereum Classic price prediction 2021 to 2022. Ethereum Classic cost began in 2021 at $6.35. Today, Ethereum Classic exchanged at $55.26, so the cost expanded by 893% from the start of the year. The determined Ethereum Classic cost toward the finish of 2021 is $68.57, and the year-to-year change plus 105%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 19%. In the primary portion of 2022, the Ethereum Classic cost will move to $73.657. In the last part, the cost would add $51.23 and close the year at $95.280, which is plus 68% to the current cost. Ethereum Classic prediction 2023 to 2027. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Ethereum Classic cost would move from $93.30 to $324.48, which is up 145%. Ethereum Classic will begin 2023 at $93.30, then, at that point, take off to $151.84 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2023 at $1,224.646. That implies plus 117% from today. Ethereum Classic prediction 2028 to 2032. In this period, the Ethereum Classic cost would ascend from $228.45 to $390.15, which is plus 53%. Ethereum Classic will begin 2028 at $228.45, then, at that point, take off to $232.87 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2028 at $253.52. It is about plus 417% from today. Ethereum Classic price prediction conclusion. Ethereum Classic cost has performed superbly toward the beginning of the year. In any case, it is falling as a few least value targets have as of now been reached, and the coin is proceeding to fall further. Yet, it is to be noticed that it is probably the best cash. Despite the fact that it is difficult to be precise in a market whose instability is immense. This year has seen a ton of uproar in the crypto market, and it has impacted Ethereum Classic's cost. And so forth has an enormous impact in the COVID pandemic, which could decidedly influence Ethereum Classic cost. Likewise, associations have been created between Ethereum Classic and Ethereum with the assistance of Phoenix and Agartha forks. On the off chance that you are losing cash quickly, it very well may be because of a disbalance in your judgment. Be more exact and involve complex instruments for a critical expansion in your benefit. You must consider hazard cautioning of the business sectors consistently to decide your situation at the earliest reference point. Our Ethereum exemplary forecast is exceptionally bullish for 2023 and further because of the fast move towards the current untouched high of $184 and an addition of around 254% since the beginning of 2022. As usual, this venture counsel relies upon your own danger resistance and the capacity to catch the chance at the right costs. We accept that as per our Ethereum Classic value forecast, it will yield great returns throughout the next years. Be that as it may, the market chiefs Bitcoin and Ethereum will probably beat Ethereum Classic value insightful. Where would I be able to purchase etc.? All regarded trades of the world convey the trademark presence of Ethereum Classic. Consistent trades additionally provide you with the office of straightforwardly exchanging etc. for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so forth, or other digital currencies on many trades. Financial backers can likewise profit from the Square Rewards program on etc. Will Ethereum Classic go up finish of this current year? The basic component here is the shrewd agreement and decentralized applications. This is an impetus pushing the worth of etc. upwards. Assuming that occurs, consider etc. to break all records. Would Ethereum Classic be able to be divided? No, etc. can't be split as it is just mined. What is the distinction among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic? Ethereum runs on the proof-of-stake agreement calculation and Ethereum Classic works with savvy contracts and decentralized apps. How does the etc. group really look at false or questionable exchanges? Ethereum Classic Group has developed a framework by which all exchanges are consistently checked, and any tiny doubt is completely killed to ensure the information. Permitting no questionable key picture or exchange likenesses, the etc. excavators guarantee sure there is no twofold spend. What is the Ethereum Classic value today? Today Ethereum Classic, etc., is exchanging at $32.59 with the market cap of $4,134,012,636. Is Ethereum Classic, etc., a wise speculation? Ethereum Classic's worth is relied upon to keep on growing, as lack will in general support value rise. Kindly note, there is some danger to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the greatest exploration conceivable. Would I be able to in any case mine Ethereum Classic after POS? When Ethereum Classic runs completely on the POS rails, excavators will have two choices. One is to offer the hardware and utilize that cash to collect more etc. and begin marking. Is Ethereum Classic better than Ethereum? That can't be remarked on as both have their advantages and disadvantages. Ethereum Classic works with brilliant agreements and dApps. Then again, Ethereum has more prominent help from financial backers, and all-around usefulness is better on the new blockchain. The two of them are the highest digital forms of money on the planet. It is very much like asking what is better, wine or whiskey. How high would Ethereum Classic be able to go? The normal cost of Ethereum Classic, etc., may go to $46.35 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $227.20 mark. How does etc. acquire importance in the cryptographic money market? It is only financial backers' trust that has made a vertical flood in the Ethereum Classic cost. The supportability of Ethereum likewise works for the fork etc. demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals, etc. has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash. What will be the etc. most noteworthy figure cost for 2022? The etc. cost is relied upon to arrive at a most extreme degree of $52.81 toward the finish of 2022. Would Ethereum Classic be able to make you rich? No bogus guarantees. Simultaneously no gloom also. Everything reduces to mass reception, as said prior. Financial backers need to do an exhaustive due tirelessness of the item prior to contributing the sum. You really want to contribute shrewdly and decisively. Will Ethereum Classic go up? It might do, it may not. Since hitting a high of $176.16 on May 6, the cost has not figured out how to transcend $100. September was an extremely unstable month for all cryptos. With an etc. coin value forecast 2021 for the remainder of the year, it is not yet clear how well the market recuperates from late crashes. At the hour of composing on December 23, 2021, it was exchanging at $35.77. Is it beneficial to put resources into Ethereum Classic? Indeed. The long-haul procuring potential is very high. Could Ethereum Classic agreements pull information utilizing outsider APIs? No, Ethereum Classic agreements can't pull information from outer data sources thusly. It is, notwithstanding, conceivable to push information from outside destinations, e.g., climate locales, stock costs, to Ethereum Classic agreements through exchanges. There are profit benefits that are viable with the Ethereum Classic organization that will pull/push information to the Ethereum Classic organization for an expense. What amount will Ethereum Classic be worth in 2030? As far as value, Ethereum Classic has a remarkable potential to arrive at new statures. It is conjecture that etc. will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Ethereum Classic can hit the greatest cost of $1,647.28 till 2030. Could antivirus block my signing in etc.? Numerous financial backers have this little difficulty that occasionally flies in. The explanation is some product doesn't permit etc. considering it could hurt your framework. Notwithstanding, with some KYC setup and making a special case in your against infection, you can flawlessly cruise in with etc. Are the information and agreements sent over the Ethereum Classic organization encoded? Encoded, yes, however not scrambled. The essential purpose for that is encryption has limits. While etc. expects to widen space for straightforwardness, it permits clients to examine agreements and information. One is at freedom to go for encryption before one scatters it on the organization. Is Ethereum Classic a wise speculation? Since Ethereum Classic is a branch off of Ethereum, the accomplishment of this crypto is driving financial backers into Ethereum Classic. In the event that Ethereum is getting excessively costly, etc. should be visible as a decent other option, seeing as it is utilized in very much like ways. Notwithstanding, with the new blast in value, we want to remain a little mindful, essentially temporarily. Past execution is anything but a dependable sign of future outcomes. Would it be a good idea for you to put resources into Ethereum Classic? When looking at Ethereum blockchain versus Ethereum exemplary blockchain, the distinction can't be more clear. We can see that Ethereum has performed considerably better when contrasted with Ethereum Classic cost over the previous years. Consequently, it very well may be an ideal opportunity to sell. What is the distinction among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic? There are a few down-to-earth contrasts among Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. For example, Ethereum is viewed as the more settled digital currency. It additionally has the help of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, which has in excess of 200 individuals, including Citigroup and JP Morgan. This isn't to imply that Ethereum Classic is essentially an awful decision, it simply implies that, at the hour of composing, it is a lot more modest. Is Ethereum Classic what's to come? Definitely, it ought to be. The value drifts plainly demonstrate the skylines are brilliant. Particularly in light of the fact that Ethereum is quick to have thought of smart contracts, Ethereum Classic will benefit out of something similar with frameworks and organizations set up. Will etc. fall flat? Everything relies upon the cost of the token later on. It might be ideal in the event that you did your own due persistence. Absence of assets, group depleting out could prompt interruption. The lifespan of the task relies a great deal upon mass reception and market opinions.